Have you been working from home lately and wish that you could reconfigure the layout of your house according to your needs throughout the day? Well, join me as we take a look at how this homeowner turned his house into a fully multifunctional work and living space with some clever touches. Today on Check It Out with Young Lip. This is a 5-room flat with about 1,280 square footage of space. Now, the homeowner is a lawyer and gets to work from home a lot, which is why he needs to ensure that every inch of his home is optimized for whether he's working or playing. Along the living room, we see an entire wall of storage space, which is actually good for keeping clutter to a minimum. Now, the homeowner is also an avid karaoke enthusiast, and over here at the TV, we see that he's managed to work all the karaoke systems into the console beneath the TV. I especially love the fact that he's thought long and hard about the cleaning up that's required of this space, because he's even created a nook for his robot vacuum. Now, this is the main entrance of the house, and next to it, we have a wall of mirrors, which actually helps the entrance foyer to feel bright and inviting. But the secret actually lies in this mirror panel, which serves as a double door. One tap opens up to the shoe cabinet, and one pull opens up to the storeroom. Now, as you can see, the shoe cabinet has been built into the door of the storeroom, which is also a great idea if you're thinking of concealing your bomb shelter. This home feels much larger than its actual square footage, mainly because most of the walls have been hacked away. Instead, the homeowner installed a tracking system along the ceiling and the floor for a series of glass panels. Now, in the daytime, the glass panels roll out to close off the office section of the home, and in the evenings, the panels roll out to create more space for when family and friends come over. Now, you'll also notice that the table and shelves can all be moved as well to create a proper workspace for when the homeowner has a working meeting with his colleagues here. All the designs in this home are versatile, and that includes the dining area. Mirrors along the fluted panel wall help to open up the dining space, while this table has also been custom-made, allowing for up to 10 guests during mealtimes. Here's a quick tip for maximizing space in the master bathroom. This door opens up into the toilet, but it can also be used to close off the shower area when in use. I hope you've got some really good inspiration on ways to turn your home into a multifunctional work and living space. My thanks to the homeowner today. Now, if you're interested to get more design ideas and tips, remember to follow us on our website and visit us on our Facebook and Instagram at homeandecor_SG. That's it from me. I'll see you on the next Check It Out with Young Lip.